On top with tori for today, federal government don join Benue and Taraba state for stakeholder meeting wey dem wan do on top Tiv and Jukun crisis. Unto the public appeal wey President Muhammadu Buhari don give Benue and Taraba state governor with the traditional and political leaders sake of the katakata wey dey shele between Tiv and Jukun tribe, e say make dis one go down. Na im make these two tribes come hold stakeholders meeting today for Shehu Musa Yar'adua Center, the one wey dey Abuja. This meeting wey dem go do today na to solve the katakata wey Tiv and Jukun tribe dey get, as this one don cause many death matter for people wey don go meet Baba God and property sef don kpafuka. For this meeting so, traditional and religious and political leaders go dey and stakeholders dem too. Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation dey this meeting as the Tanda gidigba there as stakeholder, and im stand as guarantor wey go fit cool the mind of the people wey dey there. Say federal government don ready do all the solution, the one wey they go bring come out from the meeting. And e never too tey wey President Muhammadu Buhari bin send message give them unto why e dey important, say make all the katakata wey dey shele between Tiv and Jukun crisis go down. Na here we see the Ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as federal government don join Benue and Taraba state to take fit do stakeholders meeting unto the katakata wey dey shele between Tiv and Jukun. Make una no forget say this Ogbonge informate so na Live Media na im bring am come gidigba come give una. And to continue to dey get this correct and clear informate as e dey happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, make una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for Live Media TV. Now if you still follow us, waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for Live Media. Our website is don gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Make una follow am to get Ogbonge tori as e dey hot.